Greetings everyone. So I am Kelvin and then an educator. I thought it wise to create this tutorial to help people would want to distribute their Playlab project to a global audience. Okay, like creating an app that can be available on the App Store, Play Store, or the App Store. And then so your learners can download it, or any other person can download it via these app stores. So this is a sample of like something that I did. You actually don't need any background coding um, to do this. Okay, so I basically use the URL after creating my project in Playlab, and then basically you just have to go to this link, just this mit dot sorry appinventor.mit.edu. It's free. It's free, and then you click on Create Apps. Once you click on Create Apps, it will take you to a login or a sign up page. Then you do your sign up and everything, login. Then if you are new to Play Store, sorry, MIT App Inventor, there will be some instructions to follow. You can decide to skip them in any other thing you want. Um, if not, then you I think there's a part that will help you to skip and then you create the app. But currently, for since 2018, I've been building for teaching purposes using App Inventor to teach computer science principles. So sorry, so basically all you have to do is to if you are new, the interface will be different. Okay, so you just look for a place that start project or get started or create app. Okay, so I'm going for me since I already have projects here. I'm just going to click on new project. I'll give my project a name, recipe, or just leave this recipe already exists. Where is it? Okay, let me just change to this. Okay, then we'll wait for it to load, and then yeah, so there's the interface we have. There's just basically going to be a simple project. Okay, so we wouldn't do a lot of like learning. Okay, we just want to go straight to the point. So there's your mobile simulation, and this is where you pick your components, and then any components you pick here, you can change their properties here. So basically, we just want the web viewer. Okay, so this is going to box the project um, our app into an app. Okay, because Playlab's URL is actually a web viewer kind of a web page. So we need a web viewer component. So I'm going to look for the web viewer. This which is this. Okay, then I'll drag it into the interface. And I'll make sure I set here it property to fill parent. Okay, just so it's resizes itself on depending on the device. Okay, then the home URL should basically be the link to my Playlab projects. Okay, so the link that I copied, um, that's the link of your Playlab project. Okay, that you want your users to visit to test or use your app. Okay, then you input it here. Now I don't like this to be called screen one, so I'm going to click on screen one, and then I'll change the name to, let's say you can give it any name, recipe. Okay, yeah. So basically, let me see what we have to do here. Okay, so this okay. Then I'll go to the blocks. So the blocks is where we'll do the coding. Okay, so now when I click on control, I'll need to go to screen. So when the screen starts, okay, when screen initializes, okay, when the person clicks on the app icon and then the app gets launched, okay, you just have to drag. We want it to do something, so an event handler called screen initialize event. So when the screen initializes, what do we want to do? We want our browser, okay, to visit our link, which is go to URL. Okay, and we are going to pick the text components, the text block. Okay, so an empty string. These are programming terms, so an empty string, and then yeah, we just paste our link here. So that's it. All you have to do is to click on build, and then you build it as an APK or an AAB. I think Play Store requires that things to be apps to be published as AAB on their platform because AAB removes some unwanted, irrelevant programs in the app bundle just so it runs smoothly on other devices. Better still, you can also use the APK, so you can share the APK with your students. AAB cannot be installed directly on your device; it needs to be uploaded onto Play Store. Yeah, then so all we have to do is to click on this, then we'll wait for it to build. And then, yeah, you can also to test it, you can click on connect, okay, and then your device, your phone, and then your PC should be on the same network just so you can do a live testing. Okay, so when you're doing changes, the changes will reflect in real time on your device, on your phone. Okay, yeah. So it's done building, and then all I have to do is to um, take it to my play. Sorry, my if you want it to be available on Play Store, you make it available on Play Store. Um, but you have to read the Play Store terms and conditions. I think Play Store requires you to pay $25, and then you need to have about 12 testers for I think 4 weeks or so before like Play Store will approve. Like if everything's okay, they'll approve your app. But if you don't want that, meaning you have to find ways and means to get your students to have it. Okay. So I can download my APK. I think the QR code allows you to test. Let me just click the button to download. Right click on it to copy a download link or scan install. This link and barcode are only valid for okay. So with this, the barcode and the link are only available for 24 hours. So the best thing is to just download the APK. Okay, so once that is downloaded, you can just copy it onto your phone, but make sure everything is available. Like you grant permission during installation. Okay, so I'm going to click on dismiss and then I'll go here, and that's it. So a good way to this thing is you can upload when it's done downloading. You can now upload it into your Google Drive. You can upload it to your Google Drive, okay, and then you copy the link, and then you can now okay. So it's done downloading. So all I have to do is I'm going to move it to my Google Drive. Okay, so once it's done, I can just right click on this. Oh, sorry, click on this and then share it. So I want to make sure the permission is available to the world. So I'll change this to anyone with a link. Then I'm going to copy the link. And I'll click done. Then I'll go to Canva. Then yeah, Canva allows you to generate a QR code. So yeah, so I can just change this to the Google. And I'll update this. Okay, so once it's updated, anyone who scans this should have access to the app. Like it will get downloaded, and then the person can install it. And yeah, so you can basically click on this, the share, and then make it a public view link. Okay, then you copy this, and then you can share it to anyone. Anyone who has access to this can actually download your app. Okay, yeah. So basically, that is it for this. But if you have any problem, you can always reach out to me. I will be glad to assist you.